Is this thing working? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I just wanted to show you guys a walk around of my truck. So I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering, like, what are you working on, man? Well, here's my little project truck. This is my daily driver, and I'm gonna do a walk around and what I've done to it so far. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is a 2003 Chevy Silverado. It's a 1500 HD, so it's a 3/4 ton truck. It's a two-wheel driver. It's not the four-wheel drive version. 6.0 Vortec V8. Check out the interior. It's a little charcoal gray. I put that center console in. That's another video on my YouTube channel. You guys should check it out. What is that? What color is that? I don't know. I just want to change the headliner to black eventually. I have a slit on the top when I have my 212s in the back. The box was super high, and that's what happened right there. It cut it. My dash is cracked as well. It has a crack right down the middle. It's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of very noticeable. I might have to put a mat over it, or I might just swap out the dash eventually. So those are two 85/75s. They're on their original stock wheels. The headlights, they're Auto Saver 88s. They don't, I've had them on for like a year already, and honestly I like them a lot, but it's just, I don't know why, but the top one has like a yellow tint to it. It's like the bottom ones are somehow like better or something. You swap the top ones out by just the top ones with some clear ones, and then keep the bottom ones, because I like the way they illuminate whenever you have your blinkers on. But I have the HD hood. I'm still looking for an HD grill. I have to do that conversion. I'll probably post that on my YouTube as well in the future. I did upgrade the stereo. I put DS18s in them. They're pretty loud. I'm only rocking 112. There's a little rhino lined box. Before I wrap the truck, that's what I want to do. I want to wrap the truck black eventually. Matte black, that's what I really want. But yeah, so I bought this truck. I bought it for a good deal. I mean, I thought it was a pretty fair price. Bought it for 7,500 bucks, and it had 108,000 miles, so that's very low for 03. There it is. It's dirty in here, man. I'm gonna do the big 3 upgrade. 3 months only in the truck. The water pump failed on me. We did it, me and my brother-in-law. We did it in a day. It was pretty easy. It wasn't too bad. Main reason of this video, I just wanted to come back out in the next year or two and look back at my truck and be like, damn, like, you know, got it to where I wanted to be, and so too to build up, you know, a support on my YouTube channel. All right, guys, so that's the video of my truck, the walk around. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell, man, to stay notified.